grabbed a cup of coffee or some water or tea and joined me this morning. I have some great card ideas I want to share with you. I'm going to start off with a little bit of Stampin' Up! News though, and this is the first one that went live. This is like available now for our customers, available through August 31st or until supplies last, because this is a limited edition. This will not be offered in the catalog or anything after August 31st. So this is your chance to get Color Your Season. It's this beautiful stamp set that makes all these great cards. And it also, here's the stamp set, and it comes in wood block, and it also comes in clear block, which is your rubber stamps. You'll need a clear block for them. And then we also have the Watercolor Pencils, which is our second series, and this one's $12.50, and it has our item number here for you. And it is called the Blended Seasons Bundle, and you would receive all these wonderful framelits too, and they are double stitched. They're stitched on the inside and they're also stitched on the outside. So they really make really cool cards. So if you can see, like this one here has been cut out, and then this one, they cut out the card on top and then have the picture underneath showing through. Lots of versatility with this set. Like I said, it comes as a bundle, and this is a limited supply. You can either just purchase your stamps, and in wood they're 53, and let's see, there are 12 rubber stamps in here, beautiful sayings. And if you get it in the rubber block, they're 39. You can get the framelits for 33, or you can save 10% and get the bundles for $77.25 and $64.75. And then there's also the watercolor pencils, don't forget. So there's also a great time to be buying this, because if you do consider this or any other order, when you spend, our bonus days are back. When you spend in August $50, for every $50, you're going to get an email in your email. I won't get it, so please save it. Be careful with it. You're going to get a $5 bonus coupon, sort of like Kohl's Cash, that you can spend in September. And that's when our new holiday catalog goes live. So you can be accumulating these on your orders for August. So if you spend $50, you'll get one $5 coupon. If you spend $100, you'll get two. And they give you two different codes for $5 each, so you'll earn $10. And just keep those codes in your email. Do not lose them. Do not delete them. And look in your spam folder in case you don't get them right away. You should get them the minute you place the order. Once you place send, you should get them. And like I said, they're redeemable in September. Perfect timing with the new catalog coming. So this is my host code for August. Please use that if you're ordering online. And what I wanted to show you today is one other thing that I'm offering, and that is a card class for August. And I think I've talked about this the last time. And these are our cards. We're going to be using a one-sheet wonder to make 18 cards, and these are the 3 card types we'll make. We're making like 8 and 6 and 4 of the little note cards, and this is all out of one sheet of designer paper. Now my in-person class is cut off, but you can still do these at home. All you need to do is purchase $25, and you will still receive from me a pack of free rhinestones as a thank you. And also you will get PDF instructions how to make all of these 3 different card designs to get you 18 cards out of one sheet of paper. Now what I do recommend is that you do order the Under the Mistletoe Designer Series paper, because you're going to need that for these cards. That's what I use to make this. So again, you would need to use this host code in order to get your free pack of rhinestones and your tutorial. So any order that you place, $25, then you can get the rhinestones and the tutorials for free. So that's one thing. Okay, and now today I wanted to show you the very vintage Hostess set. I think it's a sleeper in our catalog, our annual catalog. It's something you earn with Hostess benefits. You can throw a party, or you can just put in an order of $150, get a couple of your friends together, maybe to go in on it with you if you need to. And you can earn this set for free with your host rewards. It has beautiful florals, it has pretty sayings, And it has just this great little medallion type swoosh that's not totally all there, so it really gives it a nice vintage look. And then this coordinates with our Darling Labels punch, and that was the punch that was in the Darling Labels kit. And I did want to show you. That was on page 209 of our catalog, and that was this one here. It had all of these wonderful sayings for stamps. They're all clear mount. And it has thank you here for you, some florals, lots of happy, here's to the happiest birthday yet, and something, let's see, you deserve the best life has to offer. Beautiful sayings in there, and has the punch that's exclusive to this kit. But what I wanted to show you was that you also have this stamp set where this also fits this punch. And I'm going to show you that in some of the cards today. Okay, so let's get started on showing you some of these card ideas that I came up with. Here's one that says, "You're a blessing." Beautiful, simple, real easy. I did use a circle punch along with this. I have this one where I used the quilted background embossing folder and some of our new in colors, and let's see, and the happy birthday saying. And there's that pretty swoosh I was telling you about that looks so vintage. And then it also has this great floral, sort of a border. Okay, then there's this card, and this one I'm actually going to make for you today, so you're going to see how I did that. And then this one is one that I had on my blog last week, and you can see how I did that. And that's with that pretty linen embossing folder. I don't know if the light catches it right for you, but it's a really pretty look on this card. I wish you could see it in person. And then I have a bonus tutorial too. This one I'm actually using my Time for Tea, and this is that great set we have in our annual catalog that's for tea. I told you I was going to be playing around with a little bit. Comes with the framelits, so you can save 10% by ordering a bundle. And what I did was I went ahead and stamped the florals from the vintage set, and then the saying, and then I did the little teacup. And isn't that cute and sweet? So that's going to be a bonus tutorial too. So you will get, let's see, I have 1, 2, 3, 4 cards plus a bonus tutorial that I'm offering in August. If you use this host code and you place an order, I will email you 4 PDF tutorials to show you how to make all of these cards. So that's what I'm offering for August as a thank you for you, is how to make more cards. So, okay, let's get started on this. And if you're out there and you want to say hi, just let me know. Let me take a quick check. Let me just refresh a little bit. Okay. All right, so what I used was a piece of crumb cake, and this measures 5.5 by 8.5, and then I scored it at 4 1/4 in the middle. So let's just put that over there, get this up there. And then I'm using Very Vanilla. I just thought that would have more of a vintage look than the bright white of our Whisper White. So I'm going to be using this. Let's get a little piece of paper in here. So let's see, I'm going to move that up, and we're going to stamp, and we're going to do some stamping off, and that's a technique where you ink up your stamp, but then you stamp off on a piece of paper before you stamp on your card. So I'm going to take the big floral stamp, I'm going to ink it up, stamp off, and then I'm going to stamp on my card. So it gives it a lighter look. Okay, and I'm going to do the same thing up in this corner. I'm going to stamp off and then stamp on the card. And then I'm going to take my Pool Party for a little bit of a lighter look and just a hint of color. And this is that cool stamp that I'm just going to lightly do like that. And see how it's like already kind of, I don't know, what's the word I'm looking for? It's sort of light and vintage, like it's already old. I'm going to put a little over here and maybe one over here. And that's it. Okay. Now, one other thing I was using today is my triple punch. And this one is so cool because it's got this cool corner punch. And then this one that is a tab, kind of a circle that you can cut for your ribbons on cards, or you can do at the top of a bag so that you can put ribbon or twine through that. And then we have our corner rounder, and this is the corner rounder that we have this year for Stampin' Up. So all I'm going to do is just put my top corner in, and what you want to do on this stamp is you want to get your paper, see there's a channel here and there's one here. You want to get your paper all the way in, pushing up against each one, and then push straight down. And then I'm going to do the opposite corner, the same thing, so that we have it on either edge. Okay? All right, let me just get rid of that. And the next thing I want to do is I'm going to take some of our burlap ribbon. I'm just going to take a little piece, not too much, about like that. And I cut it on an edge. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a little piece of my tear and tape, because this is a nice strong tape, and I'm just going to tape a little piece in the middle because I don't want it to show outside of my stamp. And I'm just going to put it right in the middle of the card, like that. And then, let's see, get the ends down real good. And then I'm just going to, wait a minute, has to stick down well. Let's try this corner, there we go. I'm going to peel that off, and I'm going to stick my ribbon right inside it, so it holds it in the middle. The ends can flip any way they want. Okay, next, I'm ready to stamp. So what I'm going to do is bring out the pool party again. And I think I already put the stamp back. Let me get it back out. I'm going to take the one that matches our punch. And I'm just going to stamp it on our paper in that light pool party blue. And then the words I want to do darker so they're real noticeable. And I'm just using the stamp that says "For You." And I'm going to put that right in the middle, like that. Okay, now I'm ready to punch. And let's just get it lined up. All right. I'm going to take one of my dimensionals. Actually, I'm going to use my mini dimensionals because I have this thick ribbon and I didn't want to stick it on the ribbon. I wasn't sure how well that would hold. So I'm taking my saying, and at the top and at the bottom, I'm going to put one of our mini dimensionals to hold it on either side of the ribbon. Okay. I love this set. It just has so many cool things you can do with it, and it just looks so pretty. And I'm not a real vintage girl, but I really did like this set. Okay, now the next thing I was doing is I'm going to take the little butterfly. Actually, it's not a butterfly. I think it's a bee, a bumblebee. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to stamp it with our crumb cake. And a scrap of paper again. I'm still using the Very Vanilla. And I think I'm going to stamp off and then stamp it again. So that way it's not too dark and jump out at you. And then I just took my scissors and I just fussy cut around. And I'm not going to do all that and bore you. I actually have one cut and ready. And so when I have a bee, or a little bee, I'm going to take one of my glue dots. And, whoops, I am going to roll it a little bit, and I'm going to put it right in the center of that bee like that. So I can still get the wings to come up. And let's see, I put him on the bottom coming up like that, which I thought was cute. All right, and then the last part I have are these cute metallic pearls. These are great, love these. All right, so these, I used the gold ones because it kind of went along with the browns that I'm using. And I put one just right at the top there. And then I put one right on his head, like that. And then I like these two holes. Let me show you. You can leave it like this on the card and just have the background show. But I did feel like putting them, let's put them on the card first. So let's take our snail and get this on the card. And then we'll put on the last pearls and I'll show you what I mean. Okay. All right, so then I just took one of our pearls and put it on that little circle right there. And it just kind of finishes off the card nice. Oh, wait a minute, I think I have two there. Yes, I do. They're piggybacking. There we go. So let's move that up a little. And we have a cool new tool coming out soon. I can't wait. In our holiday catalog that picks up these little teeny pearls and things. And I'll have more information about it when I'm allowed to share it with you, but I can't show you any pictures yet. Our new holiday catalog will be available September 1st. And I have an order coming in probably this weekend. So I'll be starting to work a little early with them. Oops, I lost another pearl there. And yeah, I'll have them to share with you soon, some ideas, because I can share ideas. So there's our card, simple and easy, elegant. And for you, it's for any occasion. So you can make it inside, you can write for a happy anniversary, for birthday, a gift, whatever reason you want to do, or even just thoughts of you. So that's my card for today. And like I said, if you use this host code, I will have the directions and supply lists for that card and for all the rest of these. So you'll have more ideas of what to do with the set and even this little bonus tutorial with the tea set in case you're thinking of ordering that. So that's my designs for today. It's pretty quick and easy. Sorry, I kind of did it a day early, but I had to because we're going to leave for the mountains and go visit my sister. It is so much cooler up there, and I'm ready for some cool weather. So thank you for joining me today. I don't see any questions. If you have any, just go ahead and leave comments down below. Like I said, put in a $25 order using this host code, or any order on this one, and you will be eligible for the free tutorials for 5 cards. If you decide you want to do my other class, the One Sheet Wonder, let's see, I've buried my cards here, which is this one. I'll have this just to send to you online after a $25 order using this host code, and I will send you a free pack of rhinestones to use on these cards. But make sure you kind of order this paper under the mistletoe. It is pretty necessary to make these cards, or you can use a different pattern paper if you need to. And thanks for joining me today. I know this is quick and simple and easy. I don't see any questions, so I just want to say thanks for joining me, and please give it a like and a share and let people know that I'm out here so we can have more people join us. And please ask questions, even if it's not live. If you're a little shy, that's okay. You can go ahead and just leave a comment, and I will get back to you and be happy to answer any questions that you have. Thanks, and have a great day.